So yeah, Jake Norton here. I'm out here in the glacier, kind of the moraine, the lateral moraine going up above Advanced Basecamp. Just went for a little walkabout up to where I think John Knoll shot from in 1924, the Eagle's Nest. And then on my way down, figured I'd get off route a bit and check. You never know what you might find. And found some cool little pieces of old wood up here. Looks like packing crates. My guess, given its location, is that it's probably from 1933. Dave Hahn and I in 2004 found some of this wood up here, and a lot of stuff from the telegraph wire they ran all the way up to the North Col in 1933. So I think this is probably wood from those packing crates. Could have been from 1924 as well. So yeah, if you just look around, a lot of people don't bother to get off the trail or really take their eyes off anything but the summit. So the normal routes here, I came down the drainage here, down in the gully, and found some bits of wood that caught my eye. And here's one more of them just kind of tucked under the rock here. And so, you know, you look around and you often find some pretty cool stuff. Definitely old wood. Again, given its location, I'm guessing it's probably part of the packing crates from 1933 that they used for all the telegraph equipment they ran up here. Yeah, so I just packed up those bits of wood I found up here, and you know, in a lot of ways it may seem kind of trivial, bits of wood that are only 95 years old, but when you put them in location here, over 21,000 feet on the Rongbuk Glacier, a place that was as far away as the moon back in 1924, it kind of puts it in context. It's pretty amazing. And you know, all these little traces of the pioneer climbers here just always amaze me, because everything that's done on Mount Everest today, you know, these guys paved the way 95 years ago in woolen knickers, tweed coats, hobnailed boots, and long wooden ice axes. You know, it's just amazing to imagine what life was like up here. It's hard enough here now in 2019. I can't imagine it in 2019-24. Amazing.